It's a restive region that has seen some of the worst recent attacks in Pakistan. The Northwest Frontier Province has been at the center of the country's fight against religious militancy. The government has tried to control tribal fighters in the area, from holding meetings with elders, to negotiating peace agreements and even sending in troops to fight the rebels. It has not worked. But the governor of the province is undeterred. Owais Ahmed Ghani told Al Jazeera that time and patience is needed to deal with the situation.
This is not a problem which has a quick fix. It won't go away in 2-3 months. It's taken 30 years to develop. So there has to be a long-term approach and a sustained policy.
Ghani is the face of the Pakistani government in the region. The governor believes that all his troubles stem from what's happening next door in Afghanistan.
The government is not in control of the majority portion of its territory. If anything has to happen, or if there's going to be any regrouping of global terrorists, it is going to be in Afghanistan and not Pakistan. I can say that with great confidence.
He rebuffs cross-border retaliation threats from the Afghan President Hamid Karzai. And he's also convinced that Al-Qaeda's leaders are not hiding in his region, but are in Afghanistan, debunking American claims as well.
Did Pakistan bring in Osama bin Laden to this region? No, sir. It was American secret agencies who brought them. Did Pakistan invite Osama bin Laden second time into Afghanistan? No, sir. It was somebody amongst the Afghans who invited him. So Afghans need to take care of things at their end.
Even so, it was less than a week ago that his government sent troops to the region to try to secure the Khyber Agency and flush out fighters. Now with relative calm, the governor and his men are frantically trying to secure continued stability here. But his critics question the overwhelming use of force and failure of the government's policy to tackle the tribal fighters in the area. Kamal Haider, Al Jazeera, Peshawar.